Partitive division is sharing some stuff equally with the fixed number of groups and then seeing how much stuff ends up in each group. My problem is, bread has 3/5 teaspoons of sugar to make 2/7 batches of ice cream. How much sugar goes in one batch? So our top number is how much we're looking at, and the bottom number is how much pieces are in a whole. So we're going to start looking at the 2/7. So we're going to divide this by 7. And it says that we're looking at 2. So we're going to go ahead and shade 2 in. So because we have 3/5 of sugar, we're trying to see how much ice cream goes in each batch. So we're going to write down 3/5. And we're going to try to see how much goes in one batch. So we're going to put 1 up here. And we're looking at 2. And that's for each. But we also had to multiply it by the whole, which is 7. Because we're looking at 7 pieces in a whole. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to multiply. So we have the 3/5, and we're going to multiply the 1/2 times the 7, which is a whole, which equals 7 over 2. And if we go back to the original problem, it's a reciprocal. So what we could do now is just multiply across. 7 times 3 divided by 5 times 2. So this is our final answer, and it tells us how much sugar goes in one batch. So we could go ahead and solve it out. So 7 times 3 is 21 over 10. So this is a visual presentation of how to solve the partitive division algorithm and why we do the inverse, and how we got our numbers. We got the 1/2 from this. We have 2, and we're trying to find just 1, because we're trying to find how much sugar goes in one batch. And we multiply by 7 because we have 7 pieces. So that gives us a reciprocal, which is 3 times 7 over 5 times 2.